This is an individual unit of ammunition, the cartridge. It is loaded into the magazine, which contains a follower and a spring that keep the cartridges under tension. The magazine is designed so that the cartridges can only be pushed out forwards. The spring cannot push them straight out of the magazine. When pulling the slide back, it cocks the hammer. Upon releasing it, the recoil spring snaps the slide back forwards, which on its way grabs the cartridge and pushes it into the chamber of the barrel. When the trigger is pulled, the hammer drops and strikes the firing pin, pushing it forward. The cartridge consists of a casing which contains the bullet, the powder, and the primer. When the primer is hit by the firing pin, a chemical reaction inside causes a small explosion which ignites the powder. The powder burns rapidly, which increases the pressure within the enclosed cartridge dramatically. The resulting force propels the bullet, while equal force also goes in the opposite direction, pushing the slide back, which ejects the spent casing and cycles the next cartridge.